So I actually made another one after this one. And this one's a little bit different design. This one is together. These things are, this screw right here tightens down and it does a pretty good job at holding this. This one right here has a screw going through it. I took this out right here. I drilled it all the way through and then took a chisel and tried to make it as square as possible. Glued a little block there. This one also has to you gotta put a screw in the side over here to deal with the kerf. If you see this right here, that's dealing with this kerf. You make this pull it in and out the same size as the kerf of your blade, which compensates for the blade. This is not the tightest fit, so you would take this and screw it in just a hair to make it a little bit smaller, and that would make this a little bit smaller right here and tighter. But you can see what I did. So there's actually two different kinds right here. You just glue a piece onto this piece over here, put a screw in on this side, clamp it like that, do it, flip it over, good to go, just like this one.